Guys, I want to thank you so much for all the attention that you have given us on Instagram and here on YouTube. All your guys' views and the subscribers, thank you so much. We have so much coming out right now. It is moving a little slow, and I know that we're still anticipating some of that, some of the kind of sort of stockish project, but we have such big plans for that thing, and we have big plans for us between me and JD, and we can't tell you about it yet, but I want to so bad. I'm really excited to share that with you guys. But we have so much going on. We have so much planned that we're still organizing it in a way that it almost is kind of slowing us down. We really do have such a big show for you guys coming up in the next few weeks, I would say. So stick around and you guys will see much, much more of what we have to offer and what is going on. So that being said, let's check out my new rack. And what is so awesome is Craigslist pulled through. If you watched last week's video, I installed my new front runner roof rack, and here it is in the daylight so you can actually see it. I'm so stoked to have it, believe it or not. It is one of the coolest racks, I would say, on the market today with how modular it is. That's what, I guess that's the term that they use. It fits so many accessories of their own that they have put and created and designed, especially to mount to this rack. They've got hundreds of accessories from light bars to awnings to tents to even Dutch ovens. Dutch ovens? If you want it, it goes up there. It's really cool. So I'm really stoked to have one of these racks finally, because it really isn't some of those things that you come by that often. But the rack itself I bought on Craigslist, and it came off of whatever, I don't care, it doesn't even matter. I was too wide at it and in love to even ask. But I bought the rails. They're universal rails that go along the whole thing, and the feet individually, mounted it up there. Took a few hours to do. Didn't have to drop a headline or anything, which was really, really helpful and nice. I utilized the same holes as the crossbars actually even came in. So having one of these racks is kind of a big deal for me because I kind of like accessories. It's my thing. And so I have a couple plans already in stock to put on my rack, which I'm stoked about because I'm a big time camper. I've been raised camping and going outside and doing all these things. So my first two things I'm putting up there are the awning that they have, and they have a table, a little camping table that slides under the rack on the back. It's pretty cool. So I'm really excited to have this rack because it's not necessarily one of the cheapest racks that you can get, but I did luck out, really luck out on Craigslist. I've had some pretty good luck recently between this and my Focus. I got a sweet turbo kit for that thing, and you guys are gonna see that next. That is my next vehicle to introduce to you guys. What I've done to it, what I'm going to do to it, what my intentions, and because it does have a turbo on it now, I do have to get it tuned still, and that will be part of it. So stick around and watch that thing get tuned, and you'll see that here in the next couple weeks.